gave me 2 pieces of paduk, and I decided I'm going to do something with them. And I had a project in my head for a long time. So that it is. I'm going to take one of those pieces and cut it crisscross, and then I'll put resin inside. I didn't go all the way. I left a marge over there. The edges are closed with hot gun glue, but I don't know why. But I put it in a plate. You can see it, an aluminum plate, because I was afraid that it's going to leak. Guess what? It did. Not a lot, but it actually did. And I had no choice. But you can see the white marks over there. But it's okay. We found a solution. I decided to remove the blank with the chuck, so it will stay in the same place. I've got another chuck. I've got another 2 chucks, so I can use them. I'm putting it between 2 centers, and I'm start working on the second blank. From this blank, I'm just going to remove a rim, and I'm going to use it on the other blank. I'm going to put it on the other blank. So I'm just going to remove the outer rim. I'm going to part it. I'm going to use a parting tool, and I'm going to do it in an angle, so it will be easier to match it to the other blank. You don't see it on the video, but I tested and I checked it and I measured it at least 20 times before I got to the right place. After that, I left it to rest for 24 hours before I start working again on it, just to be on the safe side so it's not going to break on me. From this angle you can see better the shape that I'm aiming to. The joint of the outer rim, it's got a slight tiny gap, so I decided I'll make it a part of the design, and I'm going to burn a line inside there also, like the rest of the design, and that's where I'll hide the mark over there. If you can't see the lid, it's actually Yorkshire grit. The final polish with OB Shine Juice. Every time I'm using a hot gun glue, I'm using tape to put on the wood so it doesn't damage the wood, the glue. And this time I'm not going to make a tenon out of wood. I made one tenon out of aluminium that I can use it more and more and again actually. I like to keep the tailstock till the last minute, till I can't do anything else without removing it. I'm sanding, I'm flattening, I'm polishing, everything I do with the tailstock. That gives me a safety that it's not going to break on me. It was an interesting project. I enjoyed it. I had fun with it. I learned a few new things. I think it came out the way that I wanted it. Have a look at it. Those squares are like floating in the air. Look at it. That's exactly the effect that I wanted to get. Also with the shape that goes inside and out, and it gives it more 3-dimension from every direction that you look at it. I'm actually very happy with what I done. It doesn't mean that everybody else is happy. If you are, if you think it is a nice project, subscribe to my channel, give us my thumbs up, and don't forget to put at the bottom the comments, the good comments, bad comments. What would you like me to do into the future? You think it was a nice project? What do you think about the project? What do you think I was supposed to do differently on this one? Maybe a shortcut for the future? I don't know. Give me your idea. Give me your thinking about it. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your day. Cheers, Aaron.